Hi guys! I've been craving for something sweet, so I'm making a cupcake today. Okay, let's do it. This is the ingredients. Of course, I'm gonna prepare this ball, this whole one, and then this one. I didn't want to use the this blender. So this one, of course, and then I am gonna use the flour, American. This one. So we need milk. So I use this one. And of course, this one. How many? What do you want color? This one? There's a lot. And of course, this one. And of course, this one. So let's get started now. Okay. Hi guys, before we start, I'm gonna use disposable gloves. Disposable gloves. It's okay. Because I didn't want to touch the flour. So that's why I'm gonna use this one. Then I tie my hair also. So now is, all we have to do is, I need scissors. So I'm gonna cut this one here. This is the flour. I'm gonna a little only. One cup. I'm gonna cook 2 cups. 2 cups, there's a lot. Because I'm gonna give my neighbor, my friend. So, that's all. So, this one. Then, I'm gonna put sugar. I don't want to use the measurement. I use my own hand. So, this one. I don't want sweet. See? I'm gonna put together in the dry, and then I'm gonna put 1.5 teaspoon of yeast. So this one. So I need milk. I want egg first. So I'm gonna put 2 eggs. I'm gonna put 2 eggs. Oh my God, my darling. 2 eggs. So mix well. I'm gonna mix together with milk. So mix. Sorry. So I'm gonna put in the dry ingredients. Hala. Parang maraan ito. So this one I'm gonna use a spatula because it's too much. Oh. It smells good. It's so good. The texture is not. Look like it's too much. The milk is not enough. Why? I think enough this one. Okay. It's very small. My fault because I put small. Wow, it's almost done. Really, it's very small the bowl I take. It's my fault. I cannot mix properly. Wow. Okay, this is the what this, the mixture, but I need to mix well. Shake, body, down, shake, body, down, shake, body, down, shake, body, down, shake. Wow. So I need oil. I don't want to put butter, so I'm gonna use oil. A little bit of oil. I try the oil because always butter. Non-stop butter every time I make the bread, everything. Here's this one. Wow. It's perfect.